first-born son to Lizzie. Standing next to me is my wife, Susan Wairimo, and my children are seated over there. I am just going to read a tribute from here, because if I stand here and talk off the cuff, I don't know where I'll end up. I don't know. So I'm going to read my tribute. It's a little bit different from what you have in the booklet. So I start. My dearest mom, as I try to put into words the multitude of emotions coursing through me, I find myself at a loss because in your departure, I'm bidding farewell to not just a mother, but a source of boundless love, guidance and inspiration. I will miss you more than words can convey. Reflecting on the years gone by, I'm flooded with memories of your unwavering love and the invaluable nuggets of advice you generously imparted. From the early years of my life, I witnessed your caring nature, evident in the way you nurtured not only me and my siblings, but also extended a helping hand to friends and relatives. Just like an example is my uncle who stood in front of me here. As the firstborn son, I had the privilege of witnessing your grace and resilience in the face of challenges. You taught me that strength isn't just about muscle, but about fortitude of spirit. Your unwavering commitment to family, your unbreakable spirit in times of adversity, and your boundless capacity for love have been the bedrock of our family's unity. Your love for the extended family knew no bounds. You opened our home to uncles, aunties, cousins, and friends, providing not just shelter, but also the support needed to pursue their dreams. You just had my uncle here. Your selflessness, and let me stress, she was unselfish, that I can attest, made you a dream maker, not only dreaming for yourself, but also helping others actualize their aspirations. I want to express my deepest gratitude for the invaluable life skills and mentorship you provided in preparing me for life after high school. The transition to college and even my time abroad was made easier because of the foundation you laid. Your letters, advice, and phone calls while I was in the UK and the US were lifelines that kept me connected to the values you inculcated in me. Leaving Kenya to study abroad was both a privilege and a challenge. Cognizant of your sacrifices that paved the way for that opportunity, the values you instilled in me, the emphasis on education, and the belief in my potential have fueled my aspirations and equipped me for the adventures that lie ahead. Your persuasive skills led me to leave my lucrative banking job in the USA to join NIBS College, a decision that I have never regretted. You became my boss, and I vividly recall a staff meeting where I mistakenly referred to you as Mom. Oh boy. I remember that look till today. The look you gave me was a reminder of the boundaries between work and family, a balance you always maintained. As a disciplinarian, yes, she was a disciplinarian, you knew when to crack the whip, dispensing tough love when necessary. Your wisdom and ability to balance being a boss at NIBS and a mother at home showcased your incredible capacity to navigate different roles with grace. Over the years, our relationship deepened, both at work and personally. I have witnessed your visionary leadership that steered NIBS to greater heights, giving birth to the Emory Hotel and the Lizzie Preparatory School. Your ability to see what others couldn't, and your personal touch left an indelible mark on everyone you interacted with. Today, as we bid farewell, I do not say goodbye. I say thank you. Thank you for the love that knew no bounds, for the sacrifices made in silence, and for the lessons that will continue to resonate in my heart. Your legacy is not just the memories we hold, but the indelible mark of love you have left on the tapestry of our lives. I am committed to carrying on your work to the best of my ability, making you proud. The task may be challenging, but with God by my side, I am determined to honor your legacy and continue the remarkable journey you began. Rest peacefully, dear Mom. Your love will forever be the guiding light that illuminates my path with eternal love. Rest in peace, Mom.